So currently, right now, I have one of the newer interface modules plugged up, and the menu is different. A lot of technicians are used to seeing simply just the 4-page or 6-page menu. This menu is set up a little bit differently, but it has all the same features as the previous interface module menu. The only difference is it's pretty much it's broken down into subcategories, so you don't have to toggle through all 6 pages. So just a general setup. So we'll start with settings. You press the right arrow, you'll go right into that settings menu. Here is where you can identify the TV input for STV. So that is where you can choose if your STV channel is going to be on RF tuner, it's going to be on HDMI. There are a couple of options: composite 1 and 2, S video, component 1 and 2, HDMI 1, PC analog, PC digital, and then HDMI 2, and then back to tuner. So the most common, obviously, is going to be tuner, but you will have some sometime that'll be under HDMI as well. So right underneath that would be the TV channel that you want your set up for your set-top box so that you can see your signal. Underneath that is the digital sub-channel for STV as well. Right below that would be your STV model. So that is the model of your set-top box. We all know there are a ton of different cable companies and a lot of different set-top boxes. So every set-top box is not going to be compatible. If you do run across one that is not compatible at all, whether it be some of the controls work or none of them at all, please feel free to reach out to PDI and possibly even send that set-top box here so we can test that. The testing is generally done between service department and engineering. So most commonly, I think there's about 8 or 9 different set-top boxes in here that we have currently tested, and we know that works. So you'll have to look at your set-top box and see if any of them have this model number, and then kind of move from there. So directly underneath that, we have the restore default to STV. Basically, that is your reset. It's going to if you made any changes in the menu, that is going to reset everything back to factory. And then we have the power save feature right underneath that. So to back out of that, we're going to hit the back button. And so what I currently have right now in front of me, the set-top box, you'll see different settings for different model numbers. The 2 that we offer that's the most common would be the 295 001 and the 295 002. The 295 002, which is what I have currently in front of me, this is for all set-top boxes that are not DirecTV. So any set-top box that requires a IR emitter, that's what you use that for. The DirecTV, which is the 295 001, will have the DirecTV option in that menu.